Yeah, so here we are, ladies and gentlemen, for probably the last ride with this car. In 2 days someone's coming to buying it. Yeah, for the last drive I thought of the Monte Bondone in Trento. One last ride, I had to take it even though the weather is shitty as hell. You can't see nearly 50 meters, but it is what it is. So let's take it for the last ride. Literally can't see shit, unfortunately. Not even 50 meters. road. Getting better with the fog. It's crazy. That's so unfortunate. Stay like this. Gonna miss this car. I'm gonna miss this car. It's just a perfect all-rounder. Just a perfect all-rounder. You can daily it. The consumption is not. It's good, in my opinion. It's for a 300 horsepower car, all-wheel drive, manually shifted. In almost 4 years, I had nearly zero problems, only changing the water pump. That was all. That was all. Never lost any oil. I made 10,000 kilometers a year. Had to refill 1 liter of oil. It's crazy. You can daily drive it. You can go drive in snow, you can drive in summer. It's just a perfect car for little small amount of money, in my opinion. 4 years back I bought it for 26,000 euros. It had 21,000 kilometers on the dash, so nearly new, even though it's from 2013. But yeah, you change the exhaust, little intake, and you got an awesome car. A lot of fun. You can turn the traction control off, as you saw in my winter videos. It's crazy. I'm really sad for selling it, but you know, after 4 years time has changed. I've owned the business with my brother, and yeah, the business coming first, so I'm trying to buy some normal car, probably a diesel, always 4x4, probably a BMW. Those are also quite fun for a diesel car, always quite sporty. And who knows what is coming in 2 or 3 years? Who knows, who knows? Also thought of buying an old E39 540i with a 4.4 liter V8. That would be awesome, but yeah, then you have to buy a second car, just a daily. I mean, the BMW is not a car for every day, just for the consumption. I mean, the 2 liter turbo against the 4.4 V8, it's crazy. But yeah, I enjoyed this car really, really much. I can't say how much. It's crazy. It's a lovely car. Perfect car for beginners, I would say. I mean, I had 3 years. I had an old Fiesta from, I mean, really old. I got it from my grandma. And after that, 3 years after that, I bought this car. So I went from 62 horsepower to 300, which is actually insane. Never had no incident, nothing at all. I mean, this car with the 4x4 and the 19 inches, I mean, you have to do a lot to crash it. It's driving like on rails. I mean, you can crash it. A lot of people don't like the Golf sound, EA 888, but I think I've done a very good job with this, with the NVIDIA downpipe. I mean, it's screaming like hell. 200 cell cat and the Remus exhaust catback. The only thing I got, yeah, is the 200 cell cut and the rear damper. I don't know how to say that. And it sounds incredible. It's so fucking loud. Just under pressure. You got the valves. You got the valves. You can close it, daily drive it easily, in my opinion. I never had any never annoying and inside. I even drove it for vacation down Italy for a whole week. Was camping with it, everything. You put the fucking tent in it. Didn't put the software on. I didn't want to. Well, I would technically want to, but I don't want to destroy my car, in my opinion. It's just useless. 300-ish horsepower in such a car is fairly enough. It's well enough, especially for these road restriction and everything nowadays. You get around the corner nice with the 4x4. It's even better. You can put the power down, and yeah, just a perfect car all around, in my opinion, for daily driving.